So let's go through the project requirement. We want to educate employees about the goal setting practice by sending them a random question via email every day. And we want the question in a database where like there is an API to send a random question to the employee every day. So this is the picture. We have the email list in here, the database with question and answer. We have this email to be sent to users that they can answer, and we store the answers in a database or unsubscribe the user and update the mailing list. So this is the workflow. First, we have the database. This is a dummy database with the question and answers. I get like three options, for example, the right answer, and we have like the order by in here. We have also this is the employee database with the name and email addresses. I only have mine, but I put it like the name in here to see that we are sending to everyone. And we will store the answers in here. So let's go and run our flow in here. Done. So right now the flow is running. I should receive an email. This is another one test I was doing. Here we go. This is the first email in here. Squarespace, it's in GC Comics, I think. Once I submit in there, I will go back to the answers, and the answer should be yeah. So employee number one, he answered this question. Then we go back, we receive another one. Mona Lisa, it should be Leonardo da Vinci. This should be employee number 2 or 3. Number 2, this is the question, the right answer, and the question, the answer I clicked. Third email should be for, let's say, wrong answer. Should be here in a few seconds. Yeah, this is employee number 3. He said Adam Levine. He said Cristiano Ronaldo. And should be the last one, vitamin D. Thank you. So we should have the answers from all the employees stored in here. The thing to have like the random questions in here, you see the order by. If we refresh this one, you're gonna see that all these numbers are gonna change. So if we go ahead and run our flow like another time, the questions will change. If we go back in here, so this was the first one. Should receive another question. So the first question for employee number 1 was what? Is it running? Yep. Yeah. So right now I received another question. I think let's cancel this. Edit. There is an issue in here. This one. Okay. This one should be this one. Let's save. The employee name was not like showing up, so let's try again. Then yeah, so this is the email for employee number one, and this is the question. Let's say Adam Levine. We'll go back to the answers. It should appear a few seconds ago. Yeah, we're good. We go back. Employee number two, it's vitamin D. Um, yeah, employee number two, vitamin D. Mm, like this. And the last one is Brazil. So if we go back to this one, the order by, the number order by will change. It will be random. So if we go back and uh, run the flow again, employee number one, for example, 234, should receive another question. It's random, but the more question we have, the more likely we receive different question every day. Here we go. In which year did the battle ban begin? We're gonna try something else. The unsubscribe because he wants people to be able to unsubscribe from this list. So for now, in our database, we have like everyone who has his subscription in here that says yes. So let's say, for example, employee number two, he said that he don't wanna receive these email anymore. So basically, what will happen? It should change it in here. Employee number two should like uh, should have like no in there. What's the capital of Brasilia? It's Paris. This is the idea, and without any server, any API or anything. So yeah, and you see there is like every time there is different question for different employees. If you go back in here, you see in here we have no. So the next time we run our flow, the next day, we should receive only uh, one, employee one, three, and four, because employee number two said he don't wanna receive this email anymore. Yeah, so this is number one, Spider-Man, for example. I don't have a lot of question in my database, but the more question we put, the more random we will receive. So yeah, we skipped number two because he said no, I don't want to receive this email anymore. And the last one should arrive in a second. Yep, scene 20. So all the answers are in here. You have the selected answer, the right answer. If you wanna like see and compare if it's the same. And about these numbers in here, the order by, it changes every time the flow runs. So you see in here we have a different thing, and our flow is running like expected with no issue successfully. Yeah.